Watch this video to learn how to create a brand new website from scratch. Hi, Marion here from marionblackonline.com. In this video you're going to learn how easy it is to create a new WordPress website to start blogging or set up an online business. Your first step is to choose a domain name. You want something that's easy to remember, easy to spell, no hyphens or numbers, and doesn't infringe on anyone else's brand. You can use namemesh.com to help you find an awesome domain name, and strive to get a .com. The next step is to get hosting for your new website at Siteground. Use the link below when you create your Siteground account to tell them I sent you. Now choose web hosting option as it's fast and secure, costs less, and gives you more control over your site. Yes, I know we said WordPress, so we'll get to that in a minute. It's easy to install. Consider the options available here and choose the one that suits you best. If you only want one website, then go for the startup. If you have multiple websites with lots of visitors, then Go Geek will be your choice. And the most popular option is Grow Big. This is where you can register a new domain name, or if you already bought the one that you're looking at previously, click on I already have a domain. Enter in the name and continue. Go through the on-screen steps to set up your Siteground hosting account. You'll be offered an initial discount on your hosting package. This discount is for your first purchase, so it's a good idea to sign up for as long as you can manage. You'll save the most with a 36-month package. Then log into your Siteground account and follow the prompts to add your website. Once you've got your website hosted at Siteground, it's time to install WordPress. Go to Websites, click on Site Tools, then use the App Manager or use the menu on the left to go to WordPress. Install and manage. There's two options here. Install new WordPress or WordPress plus WooCommerce. If you want to create a shop-style website, then go with the WooCommerce. This option will install tools that most new website owners are not going to need, so just select WordPress. Fill out all of the form with your own information, choose a nice strong password, and leave the installation path as is to install WordPress in the root directory. That's where it usually belongs. And you don't need the WordPress starter, so I'll take the tick out of the box. And you don't need a multi-site, so click Install. Give it a few minutes for the techie stuff to work, and then you'll be able to log into your website by typing your domain name .com/wp-admin into your browser's address bar. Click on Admin Panel, and that will take you there. This is what your WordPress dashboard looks like. And up here, right click on that, open a link in a new tab, and you'll see what it looks like to the world. So now we're going to set it up so it looks pretty good. We'll go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, click on the search box and type in Generate Press. It's lightweight, easy to use and very customizable. Click Install and Activate. Now let's have a look and see how the site has changed. Much cleaner, neater, and ready to change to suit your own style. Next we're going to go to Plugins, Add New, and install Wordfence Security, and activate. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Wordfence so it will protect your website from hackers. We're not quite finished yet. There's another very important thing we need to do, and that's to install a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. From your Siteground Websites tab, click on Site Tools, then use the menu on the left to navigate to Security, SSL Manager. Select the domain name and choose Let's Encrypt. Click the Get button, scroll down, click on the Actions button and Enforce HTTPS and flick the switch. Congratulations! You've just created a brand new WordPress website with fast, secure hosting and an SSL certificate. You know how to install a new theme and add plugins. Now get started writing some awesome content for your new website, and I'll see you in the next video.